Silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in NUGT. We're off of oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4 hour chart, we are in NUGT and approaching to oversold condition with the RSI. And as with the daily chart, we see the same action, NUGT, and approaching to oversold levels with the RSI. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $17.92. My sell target is at $19.63. My stop loss is at $17.46. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $20.36. My sell target is at $18.41. My stop loss is at $20.89. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 20% chance to climb between 0 to 6%, a 20% chance to climb between 6 to 13%, and to the downside a 60% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.